Hi there, problem solvers. In this exposition, I'm going to show you my custom file transfer protocol software I made, all with the power of Python and a bit of JavaScript. This software seeks to help me transfer files within my devices. I have trimmed down most of the technicalities, making it very easy for intending programmers to be able to execute this project on their PC and to get the best out of it. If this sounds really interesting to you, I'd like you to join me as I show you the entire process of how the program works. Usually for me to transfer files, I have to make use of a flash drive, and this aid a movement of files from either my laptop, my desktop, and my phone. This became my working solution. However, it became overly complicated when I just wanted to transfer basic strings of text between devices. That made me resort to softwares like WhatsApp and Slack. So either of those devices will have that software installed, and that also aided transfer of files between devices. However, this also became overly complicated because those files could extend up to 500 megabytes to like 4 gigabytes of data, and it's an overkill to do that over the internet while I just need that locally. In simple terms, that could be more than enough data to see 5 prime-imaging videos. My next bet to solve this problem was to make use of a MacBook because it could seamlessly transfer data between devices. However, the drawback with this approach is you have to be locked into the Apple ecosystem, meaning that those devices must be of similar products. So I had to think of an easier approach to solve this problem that is cost effective and easy to operate, that could enable me transfer both text and large files between devices. This led me to the creation of DianX, a file FTP that enables me to transfer files between connected devices all on the same network locally without any need of the internet. It was basically built with Flask and a bit of JavaScript. Basically run the command, and if the packages aren't installed, it's going to pull down the packages and run the installation. And once that is done, you simply connect to the host's IP address and port respectively. Hook that address in the browser and you'll be welcome with the DianX screen. Now you can seamlessly make file transfers. Our first use case will be to send strings across devices, and for my host PC, I'm just going to send a simple hello string. But no other device is going to receive it unless they are connected to this IP address. For this example, I'm going to use my tablet to demonstrate the transfer between two devices. The same way we connected to the browser on our PC, we repeat the same process on the tablet by placing the URL in the browser of the other device, in this case the tablet. I just sent a simple text from the host device, and that sent to all connected device, which in this case was the tablet. Then I proceeded to send photos and accidentally photobombed myself with a peace sign. I sent that image and it sent also to the host device, and I was able to click the link and make a download of that file, and that was available on my host device. I also tried the reverse of this process by sending the files from my host device to other connected device, and in this case it was a zip file, and that synced through all connected device, in my case the tablet, and I opened it up and it was available for me to use. This is really helpful for me in cases where I come across projects or probably GitHub repository that I found on other social networks on my tablet or other devices that are handheld, and I will probably need to have a full view of the code on my desktop. I'll have to simply just use DianX to make that transfer from my handheld devices to my desktop, or probably any other connected devices where I could have a proper view of this project. Not saying bigger is better, but it sure does help. The source code to this project is available on GitHub. All you just need to do is simply pull the code and run the command. For Linux and Mac, you need to use the Unix stack to run the project, and for Windows, you just simply need to use the Windows start.bat file to execute the project. For other feature ideas of this project, I'm planning to make it an executable, install it like a conventional software, have the clipboard run in background that once a new string of text comes in, automatically copies to clipboard so you don't have to head to the application to copy. And lastly, to make it an executable on boot. Once your computer comes up, it automatically starts the project and you don't need to go to the command line to get it to start. If you have any concerns or issues using this project, I would like to hear them in the comments, or whatever future ideas you wish that this project will have. I would also like to hear that in the comments. With that being said, if you find this video helpful, I really appreciate you hitting the like button, and I'll see you in the next one.